My name is Irene Groenevelt, and this is a video abstract for a paper by me and my colleagues Sanneke Haan and Slatman called Doing Bodies in YouTube Videos About Contested Illnesses. In this paper, we discuss how experiences of the body, and especially those related to having a contested illness, are enacted in short online videos, so in vlogs. Now, as anyone who ever made a vlog will know, vlogging involves making a lot of small choices. So, for example, about what to wear, how to look, how to sit, the distance to the camera, how to set the stage or the decor, the pace and the length of the vlog, what to talk about, etc. And of course, these choices are not limitless, but are narrowed down by things like technological affordances, someone's embodiment, as well as by material circumstances. These kind of basic observations from the starting point of our current paper, in which we describe quite simply how vlogging is done. And in our approach, we do not conceive of vlogging as a performance or just a performance, even though the act of vlogging itself is, of course, highly performative. But we rather argue that vlogging can also be understood as a kind of practice or as an enactment through which different bodies or experiences of the body can appear. And in this kind of approach, we use Annemarie Mol's notion of a praxeography, which highlights the material dimension of any kind of knowledge or knowledge production. And we combine this methodology or approach with phenomenological conceptions of illness, and especially with the idea that falling ill often leads to the appearance of the body as a thing, or as an object that needs to be attended to in one way or another. As I mentioned before, the vloggers in our study have what we call contested illnesses, which means that they are chronically and often invisibly ill, and also that they are not necessarily recognized as such by medical professionals and various others. And this, of course, feeds into how they present themselves and their bodies, and in how they ultimately try to make their invisible illness socially visible, so visible in online videos. We did in-depth interviews with 7 Dutch female vloggers, and we combined this data with an online ethnography of their vlogs. And in our analysis, we ultimately distilled or discerned 3 different ways of enacting the body, which we describe as inert bodies, authentic bodies, and experienced bodies. And these are further described in our analysis. The study is part of a larger research project called Mind the Body, Rethinking Embodiment in Healthcare, which is funded by the Netherlands Organization for Scientific Research, so by the NWO. Well, that's it. I would like to invite you to read the paper. I hope you will enjoy reading it. And please do let me know if you have any questions or remarks whatsoever. Thanks for listening.